it's, to me at least, it's how well are your processes and your systems dialed in. How well is the training where everybody kind of understands what to do, and then when a car comes in a certain way, and then as a result of that, we can process cars quicker. And like Eric said, you're not sacrificing opportunity at the same time.
Well, see, the main purpose of speed of service is really how quick can we get back to the customer, not how quick we can service the vehicle. You know, I think that they put it in the context of, it's like going to a doctor's office. You know, you go to the doctor's office and you're sitting there, and you come in, you sign up, and you sit, you're waiting, you got that anticipation of the moment. And, you know, how you would actually feel if, when you got to the doctor's office, they've called you back before, you know, your paperwork's even being filled out. You just feel so much better that things are going smoother, and it kind of takes the consumer down a notch. You know, they feel more comfortable with the experience, and I think that's important. I personally don't like their butt cheeks to hit the chair before I'm trying to talk to the customer about the one thing that they have to have on a vehicle.
Yeah.
You know, so that's where I'm at.
Okay, good. Yeah, it's definitely, and I see that as well as an important aspect, different ways we can save time. You know, we're not giving up opportunity. Go ahead.
What we used to, we still say it, the keys don't hit the counter.
Right.
You know, the person comes in, they're you know, like you said, it's not that you're getting it fixed, but you're responding to whatever they're needing. If they come in for an oil change or a coolant leak, you immediately kind of go to work on getting them in the system and getting their car in line, so to speak.
Absolutely. One of the things we used to do, we would, before we're still taking in the data, we would get the keys from the customer, and we would hand them to a general service. And the GS is already, you know, we kind of know, yeah, I'm here to get an oil change, right? We know what it's there for. Okay, great. They're going to wait, get the keys, pass it to one of my guys, and then they're already pulling the car around while, like Eric said, before they even sit down in the waiting room, their car's already been moved. And that does let them have that kind of that sigh of relief, and they can relax a little bit more. And I think that's a big part of speed of service. And I think there's opportunities all the way through that, from the time we get to the key, the time we get the key back to the customer, there's opportunities every step of the way on how we can just do things a little smarter, not necessarily harder, that's going to speed up our productivity. So, and another good way to look at it, I feel, overall, I think it's about having your processes and systems dialed in, and that would be part of your process, right? If it's your goal to the keys never touch the counter, then that becomes part of the process, and we teach and train everybody what does that look like and how we can execute on that. Another way to look at it is kind of identifying the things that cost us time, and what we can do to reduce those things. And then as a result of that, we're improving our speed of service